So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. It looks like she has about mid-length hair, so the stylist grabs the scissors and starts to cut. Oh, beautiful angled bob. I love the fullness that this has. Absolutely stunning. She looks amazing. Hello everyone. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, haircut ideas, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So here we have someone that looks like she is getting an undercut pixie style. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. Love the shape and texture that this has. Such a beautiful style. And it also has a bit of edginess to it that I love as well. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up, we see someone with a beautiful bob haircut. This one features a bit of an angle, longer in the front, shorter in the back. And then we move into a hair transformation. So she has this gorgeous long curly hair. Oh, wow. Look at how much volume her hair has. Her hair is just absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we see someone with very long waist length hair. And the stylist cuts the hair into this beautiful bob haircut. Absolutely stunning. Such a carefree, flowy bob style. So then we see someone else with shoulder length hair. She has decided to cut her hair into a pixie with this blonde and black color combination. Next up, we have another undercut style here. Absolutely gorgeous. Her hair has so much body and movement. Beautifully done. And then we move into this gorgeous blue bob hairstyle. And blue hair color was actually a very hot trend for 2022, and we're still seeing it in 2023. Very pretty color. So we have a cut and color transformation here. Wow, this was just shocking. So she ended up going with this ash blonde bob. Absolutely incredible. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.